Hey, good morning. Welcome back to the Homestead. Today, I have a company called Crete, G-O-T-Y-E, who has sent us a new hummingbird feeder. We love feeding the hummingbirds and watching those guys out here. They're so much fun to feed and so much fun to watch. So today, I'm going to be setting this guy up, but comes with instructions, comes with mixing directions for sugar and water. Basically, it's 1 part sugar to 4 parts water. Came well packaged, in good condition when it arrived. It's called a hummingbird restaurant. Kind of funny. But it has instructions there, and on the inside, the little directions for how to properly clean it. So I'm going to take it out. We have one that's red, and this time they sent us a nice one that is this pretty blue color. So I'm going to rinse this out, wash it up, and get this set out for hummingbirds. And I just noticed here in northeast Texas that I saw one on another feeder just this morning. So I'm excited to get the rest of our feeders out and try out this new one. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.